Maya, we make cookie.
What are we making today, Ellie?
We are making cookies.
So we are making sugar cookies.
We're making right here. Yay!
First, we're going to start with the almond extract. Next one is an egg yolk. Dump it in there. Sugar cookies take a lot of sugar. Cream cheese, flour.
Uh-oh.
That's okay. There you go. Okay, here we go. We've got our dough and we're ready to roll.
Yay!
I need you to put flour on this, on the dough. There you go. Let's just cover it up. Come on. That's good. That's good. That's okay. Now put your hand right here. It's okay. We got dirty hands. That's flour. Roll it out. Come on, Ellie. Yay, Ellie! She's rolling her first dough. Are you ready? Here, let's do the cookies now. Let's do the cookies. Here you go. Here. Press. Good job. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Oh, I'll take that.
Yes, I'll do that. Okay?
Okay. What are you doing?
Look!
The tree.
Where you can. There we go.
There you go.
We're fishing now. Look at all the mix.
Are we ready for the next part of our cookie decorating?
I guess I got dressed.
Here are our cookies that we made. Are we ready?
Yes.
Ready? We're going to do lines like this, Ellie. Look.
Line.
Let's see. Let me open it. Dot.
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 Dot. Oh, how
Dot.
pretty. Look at that. Isn't that adorable? Oh.
Let's do this one. Let's kiss my treat. I kiss my treat.
We're done. Yay,